Today, let's repair a Tesla PTC heater using our repair kit. This is used on Model S and X. The main fault is cabin heating unavailable coming up on the central display. We took out a multimeter and measured its internal components one by one. One of the IGBTs has a short and needs to be replaced. Besides the IGBT, the PTC heating element below also needs to be replaced. We removed the main PCB with our soldering iron. Then remove the faulty IGBT. And install the new one. After we're done, we measure again to confirm. Okay, all normal. Let's continue disassembling and replace the heating element. We remove the temperature sensor and assemble the heating elements from our repair kit. Done. We reinstalled the main PCB. Okay, repair complete. Ready to test on car.